welcome to the Sar Sassy Sarcastic channel. Banya Kamazunga, that's me. Today we are going to unbox the GlamEgo Anniversary Edition. That is also their box for the month of March. This is the Girl Boss Edition. GlamEgo always gives out like great quality boxes and they like moonlight as awesome organizers. This one has impressed me even more so because it is not only like a good quality handy box, it also has a magnetic clasp and I love that about this. And the color scheme, it's so sleek. I love this. And on opening we find the products and the info card. There's also a message from GlamEgo. It says we are celebrating you. We wouldn't have been here without you. So that's really awesome. It's actually one of my favorite subscription boxes, and this is the only one that I like subscribe to on a monthly basis. I pick out on the basis of what products I would like to have or own. But when it comes to GlamEgo, I trust them blindly, and this is the only box that I have subscribed for like on a monthly basis, and I have been subscribed to it since November. And this is the info card. It's the only info card this time, and usually GlamEgo gives out 4 products, but this month we have 5 as it's celebrating their birthday, and that's a nail paint from Bella Voste. The shade you could not select. And the only thing you could customize in this box was the Bella Voste Eye Makeup. You could select from eyebrow pencil to eyeliner, to kajal and a mascara. I went with the mascara because I thought it's high time I own one. Let's go through the info card. The first product they mentioned is the Mondsub black mask. Mondsub is a well-known company. It's known for making good quality face masks, and I am really looking forward to using this black mask. I went through some of its reviews, and I have been told that it's like really painless compared to the other black masks that are like charcoal masks of the same variety. So let's see. I have not opened it yet. I want to try this. I'm really looking forward to trying this, and I hope it will work. So this is a 10 ml tube, and it has all the ingredients, cautions, effect. Everything is mentioned over here. Its price is ₹1000 and it has a shelf life of 3 years. So it's really easy, the normal process like cleaning your face, applying it, letting it dry and pulling it off. That's basically it. So I'm looking forward to using this. One is the Kronokare Pollu-Stop hair. It's worth $395. It's exclusive again, and it saves your hair from pollution. So this is the bottle. I have used this, and I have the same thing for the face variant. It was the Pollu-Stop face that came in the last box, and I love that. That's one of the facial sprays that I swear by before I leave. This is also the only product that I've used since the box came in, and it's awesome. It's like very easy to use. You just take the bottle, spray it across your hair, on dry hair that is, and it actually gives out a shield-like texture for your hair, and it saves it from pollution, and it does not make your hair oily. That's something that I really like about this spray, because other hair sprays sort of make my hair oily because I have an oily scalp, but I have not seen anything of this sort in this product till now, and I'm so impressed by the range Kronokare. I've used 2 to 3 products that came in the boxes, and I'm super impressed. I super like these products, and I hope it will work well in the long run. The next product, it's the Bella Voste Eye Makeup, worth $399. You could choose it, like I said. So I went with the mascara, and it is worth $399. It's a black mascara. It is Raven Black, and the shade number is 01. It's in the variant Raven Black. And the packaging is similar to the lipsticks that came in of Bella Voste, and I really like it. It's like quite sleek. The bottle I'm having color. Okay, and so this is what it looks like. It's a sleek black and silver sort of bottle, and I really like it. And it's not a curling mascara. It has a plain wand, and I have used this. It's not extremely waterproof, but it stays on for like 2-3 hours, and it's not hard to take out. That's like one point I really like about this product. It does not smudge. It does not like give you black eyes or something, but it is not waterproof, and it's easy to take out, and that's something I was looking for in a mascara. So I like this product. The next product is the Aroma Magic Reviving Oxy Pack, worth ₹90. It's from the brand Blossom Culture, and it balances your skin pores, evens your skin tone. And this is a sample size product. It's worth ₹90. You're supposed to leave it overnight. What it does is that you apply it and then you go to bed, and in the morning the pack will restore the oxygen to your face. I'm looking forward to trying this because I like the idea of this face pack. I want to see how it works. I'm really curious. And Blossom Couture is one of the well-known brands, and this is one thing. This is another thing that I really like about GlamEgo, that they give out like really good brands. And this brand in particular is 100% free of parabens, harsh chemicals, alcohol, artificial fragrance, color, and organic. It is made up of organic aloe vera gel, lavender essential oil combined together to detoxify and lock in your moisture, condition, and heal your skin. So I'm really looking forward to this, and I really hope that it works. Last product from this box is a Bella Voste nail paint. Even though I really like the brand Bella Voste, but I don't really use nail paints. You hardly see me wearing anything because they chip off or I bite into them. So this will go into my giveaway. The color is a lovely shade of blue, and you could not select the color. They actually gave in whatever they felt like, and this color even like won't suit me, and I probably have this already, so I won't be using this. I'll give this away, and the giveaway starts in the last week of this month, so please stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. That's all for today. If you like the content, do like the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated about my upcoming videos. New videos every Friday. The details regarding the box and how to order it will be mentioned in the description box. All the links to my social media accounts and stuff will be mentioned in the description box, so you may check that out. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.